You think you woke up this morning because an alarm rang. No, you woke up because God still has something for you to do. You feel that pressure in your chest, that weight, that quiet voice you keep trying to ignore. That's not stress. That's not confusion. That's God urgently calling your name. But here's the truth. You don't want to admit you've been sleepwalking through your own life, moving, breathing, existing, but not living, not fighting, not stepping into the man you were built to be. God didn't design you for a small, quiet life. He built you with fire in your bones. He built you with purpose, powerful enough to shake nations. He built you with a roar inside your chest. But you have silenced yourself, waiting for the right time, the right moment, the right season. Listen to me. God doesn't call the comfortable. He calls the chosen. And chosen men don't get to relax. Chosen men get challenged. Chosen men get stretched. Chosen men get awakened even if it hurts. You know exactly what I'm talking about. That dream you buried. That path you fear. That change you keep avoiding. God keeps bringing it back to the surface because He won't let you settle for a life beneath your calling. This is not a soft whisper. This is not a gentle nudge. This is a wake-up call from heaven. You can keep pretending you don't hear it, or you can rise, but understand this. This moment is the divide between the man you've been and the man you were created to become. God is calling loud, clear, urgent. And the question is, will you answer? You want the truth. It's not the world stopping you. It's not your past. It's not the people around you. It's the excuses you feed yourself every single day. Excuses are comfortable lies wrapped in soft words. They feel good. They sound reasonable. But they kill you slowly. I'm tired. I don't feel motivated. I'll start when things are better. I'm waiting for a sign. God already gave you a sign. You woke up today. That was your sign, but excuses. They wrap around you like chains. Chains you placed on yourself. You say you want success, but your habits tell a different story. You want discipline, but you run from discomfort. You want transformation, but you avoid the work that creates it. Listen to me. Excuses don't protect you. They imprison you. They steal your strength. They sabotage your momentum. They turn kings into beggars. Warriors into watchers. Creators into complainers. And here's the part you don't want to hear. God will not do for you what you are refusing to do for yourself. He won't walk for you. He won't lift for you. He won't discipline your mind. He won't delete your distractions. He won't break your habits. You must do that. God provides the calling. You must provide the commitment. Every time you choose comfort over calling, you choose weakness over destiny. Every excuse you make is a vote against your future. You want to rise. Start by killing the thing killing you. Your excuses. No more maybe. No more later. No more someday. You don't need permission. You need action. God is calling. Your excuses are blocking the signal. Break them before they break you. Fear is clever. It doesn't scream. It whispers. It whispers doubts, lies, shadows subtle enough that you believe they're your own thoughts. Fear tells you you're not enough, not ready, not capable. Fear tells you your past disqualifies you. Fear tells you God forgot you. but fear is a liar. A loud liar. And you've been listening for too long. Look at your life. Look at the storms you survived. Storms that should have crushed you. Look at the nights you cried. The battles you fought silently. The moments you felt abandoned yet somehow got back up again. That wasn't fear. That wasn't luck. That was God keeping you upright when everything tried to knock you down. If fear was truly stronger than you wouldn't still be here, breathing, standing, searching for purpose. Fear is just smoke pretending to be fire. It burns nothing. It destroys nothing. Unless you let it. You know what fear really is. A test, a wall. A line drawn in the sand saying, do you really want what you say you want? And most men turn back. But not you. Not anymore. If God called you, fear cannot stop you. If God appointed you, fear cannot dethrone you. If God breathed destiny into your bones, fear cannot bury it. Move, even if your voice shakes. Even if your legs tremble. Even if the future looks like a storm. Walk through it, because the only thing fear fears is a man who moves forward anyway. Let's be brutally honest. You pray for a breakthrough, but you avoid the behaviors that create one. You want success without sacrifice, growth without struggle, greatness without structure. You want God to build the life you want, while you don't even control your mornings. Listen, God gives vision, but discipline builds it. Every strong man you admire, every warrior, leader, king, every successful person is built on one thing: daily discipline, not motivation, not hype, not emotion. Discipline, consistency, repetition, structure. These are the swords of a man on a mission. But you've been running from discipline like it's a punishment. It's not. Discipline is the highest form of self-respect. Without discipline, dreams rot. Purpose decays. Potential dies. Every time you choose distraction over discipline, you weaken the man inside you. You drown the voice of your calling. You say you want change, but do your actions show it? Your sleep schedule, your habits, your time management, your self-control. When you avoid discipline, you avoid the doorway to your destiny. God doesn't hand crowns to men who refuse the training ground. You want to rise, then earn it in the private, unseen, unglamorous battles nobody claps for. Discipline is not the enemy. It is the path, the narrow road, the refining fire. Walk through it daily, relentlessly, with purpose burning in your chest, because the man who masters discipline masters destiny. This is that moment. Not next year. Not someday. Now God isn't calling the future version of you. He's calling the broken, tired, flawed version of you who's listening right now. He sees everything you've been through, the heartbreak, the losses, the failures, the nights you didn't think you'd make it. And yet he still calls you. Why? Because he sees the warrior in you that you keep pretending isn't there. You think God needs you to be perfect. No, he needs you to be willing to rise, willing to fight, willing to change, willing to take responsibility for your life. There is a version of you stronger, disciplined, focused, fearless, and God is pulling you toward him. But here's the truth. A calling that is never answered becomes a burden. A destiny never embraced becomes regret at some point. A man must make a decision, stay the same, or step into the fire. This is the fire. This is the awakening. This is the moment heaven shakes your spirit and says, enough, rise. You are not average. You are not forgotten. You are not weak. You are chosen. God is urgently calling you out of fear, calling you out of excuses, calling you out of old habits, calling you into leadership, power, purpose, identity. Your life doesn't change when you wish. It changes when you decide. Today decide to answer. Decide to rise. Decide to become the man you were born to be.